Hi, to enable and disable Find My Device feature on the Poco F6, we would need to go in the settings and here find the Google tab. And now, if you haven't signed in your Google account yet, then do it so you could see the name of your account here and this tab. After that, go in the Find My Device, and now this option is disabled, so let's enable it by tapping on the switcher. And now we just need to verify that it's you. I'm gonna do it with the help of fingerprint. And if you lose this device or any connected fast pair accessories, you can use this feature to locate them. Also, we can open this app and see the list of our devices. You can tap on your current device. Here you'll see the date when it was activated, the device's name, which you can change by the way, and all of the other connected devices. You can tap it and check the location of this device. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.